Alright everybody, we're back at this spot. Welcome back to the channel. On the same spot as last video, but we're going to throw some cut bait and some live bait out as well at the same time. And then throw the jigs around and see if we can't lay a beating down on some white bass or anything else they might want to bite. So hang in there and we'll get this show on the road. Alright, so I didn't bring any night crawl or live bait with me today, or cut bait for that matter, so the only live bait I got is night crawler. So we're going to see if we can catch some bait right now. Because last video, I don't know if you've seen it on camera or not, but some of those white bass were getting chased in by bluegill. So I got a Shakespeare Micro Series light action spinning rod with another Cadence Ideal 1000 series 4-pound braid, and I have a double uni knotted 6-pound fluorocarbon coated mono double uni knotted on for my leader. So let's see if we can catch some bluegill or whatever may be out here that we can use for bait. Hopefully there's something there that's going to fancy himself a night crawler. It's not real super windy, but it's just windy enough to create some waves, which is kind of a pain in the ass, but just kind of got to do what you got to do. Oh, something had it. Just a 1/4 ounce weighted bobber, and then I put no weight underneath it to sink the worm. I just kind of let it float down naturally. It's always worked really well for me. It kind of as it kind of flutters and floats down real nice and gradual, it always seems to grab their attention really well. Oh yeah, something was following it, something big. Oh, what is, maybe a smallmouth? All right, here we go. We got something. Up there's a white perch. Can't keep him alive. Can't use that one as live bait, so he's going to be cut bait. So, give me a second while I dispatch him. See if there's something down there that might fancy himself a piece of cut white perch. That'll work. Just go back out with the worm and see if we can't find a piece of live bait. Sucks, can't use a white perch for live bait. It's an invasive species. I don't see why you can't, but the fisheries biologists or whatever say no. That weightless bait's getting its ass whipped by the waves. Well, worst they can do is hang us up. If that happens, then just tie something else on. Oh, that was one. I can see them. They come up to the surface. Well, I got something here. Something bigger than I'm prepared for. Looks like maybe looks like a largemouth. I wasn't prepared for you, man. This is just 4-pound line here, fish. I'll take that. That hook right in the top of the mouth, man. Probably jack this hook up now. Not a bad largemouth bass, I'll tell you that much. And he's probably 4 pounds, maybe? I don't know, I don't have my scales with me, but look at that guy. Yeah. I'll take that all day long. Let's see if we can get a good release on him. There he goes. Like a lightning bolt. Well, I tell you what, 2 days worth of cold rain, that water is rigid. Let's get that spider off. Get out of here, spider. Nobody likes you. Let's throw this thing around. See what's out there. Same setup as last time. Gotta be something there, right? There's largemouth bass in here on this face eating. There's got to be other stuff too. Something doesn't feel right with my reel right now. Something feels weird. What's happening right now? Something joinked it. Yeah. Well, he's pretty pissed off, isn't he? I'm going to go ahead and step out on a limb here and say, yeah, there's still some white bass over here. Give me it. Not bad. We're not keeping any of them suckers today. Suppose I could if we really wanted to. Now what's going on here with my rod? Something feels weird. Oh. Something on this pole over here. If I can get over here without falling. Doesn't help to hook a fish when it does that crap. Let's give that a try. Alright, I don't know what they are, but I'm just seeing a ton of fish over here. Really close to the surface, so I'm just going to go throw a night crawler at them and see what they are. Could be shad, I can't really see them that well. I tell you what, if they're a bluegill, I'm going to catch one of them little buggers. Put them on a hook. There's carp in there in the mix. I got one of them. Sure as hell are little bluegills. Ow! Oh shit. There he is. Real pretty bluegill. I'm going to go put this thing on a hook and I'll get back to you. Alright. Got that guy on a hook. It's not extremely deep out there, but you know, deep enough, huh? I don't know why I chose the face of the dam. Like, it's undoubtedly the biggest pain in the ass spot to fish, but you know, we're here. Yeah, there's more bluegill over there. Waited until I had my back turned. Oh yeah, that's a nice. Oh, shit. That's a nice bluegill. Let me tell you what. How did I do that? There we go. What a bad bluegill. About a 5 or 6 incher. Get out of here. Rude old fish. They shut off again, so I'm gonna get out of here. I only had a short time to fish today. It's midday, and hey, like, comment, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.